everybody? I'm back. Been a while, and it's also been a very long time since I've done a knife review. But today, I have an interesting one. It's a TEKTO Elara. I believe it's called Elara. I think it's Elara. But it came in the battle box I got a few months ago. Sorry if I keep looking down. I got a preview on my watch. I was trying to make sure the video looks good. But anyway, it's got this like Damascus look. It's not Damascus, but I've used it, EDC'd it every day since I got it. And like I said, I like it a lot. Like everything from scales on it. It's just amazing. I need to clean that actually. Probably should have done that before the video, but the box came in. It came, cheap instruction manual sort of stuff. And a little Velcro case. Suppose if you wanted to carry it that way. I don't. But anyway. As you can see, very nice little knife. It's only unfortunately a one-way pocket clip, which sucks because I'm left-handed. Tends to be how I like to carry my knives, but works fine. Sorry, been a while since doing a video, but okay, we have details. It's Elara, that's the official name. It is 440C stainless steel, G10 handle scale. Nice. Blade hardness is a 60 HRC. Whatever. I still don't understand what that means. Blade length is 3.62. Handle length is 4.56. Weight is 0.18 pounds or 86 grams. Makes a total length, about 8 inches. Which makes sense. This is a long knife. So, it retails for $99. Definitely want to get in more knives. I've kind of been carrying the Ontario Rat for a long time. Like every day for years at this point. Okay, this is as close up as I can get. And I'll show you inside the box real quick. Came with different types of stuff. Little standard issue instructions, that type of thing. Came in a plastic bag, and that's the box. Made in China. What a surprise! Everything is made in China. Nice little leather sheaths. Probably put a flashlight in that. I mean, not leather, nylon. Wow. Tell it's been a while since I've done this. Want to get up close. As you can see, very dirty. Need to clean it. I love the handle scales, though. That was what made me really want this particular knife. Awesome. Just going to keep the video short and to the point. It's been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.